Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. See what I did there? I feel viewers don't love the usual hey guys greeting, which is why I decided to switch it up this time around. But if you're new, welcome. It is so good to have you here. So today I'll be showing you how I personally make carrot juice for both vegan and non-vegans. So with every fruits and vegetables you use, you gotta wash them. You know the saying, cleanliness is next to godliness. And in case you're wondering, my change of scenery is my backyard for now. So now on my cutting board, I'll be chopping or cutting up my carrots by taking off the top and bottom part from them all. So I begged my mom to buy me some carrots. So she decided to bring 3 single carrots, and then I told her what I wanted them for, and she said if she knew she would have bought more. Anyways, I'll just have to work with what I have. The more you have, the stronger the carrot will taste. But mine turned out, well, you'll see as you're watching, so I won't speak so soon. So instead of peeling them, I am scraping the skin off. Gives me more to work with, and you don't eliminate as much of the nutrition that the carrot provides. I'm trying to sound all professional. A fun fact, did you know that carrots come in many colors? Me neither. Just learned it after researching on Google. This is because of their pigment. The color is based on the time of year the seed is planted, weather conditions, the conditions of the soil, and the amount of sun and water the seed receives, according to the Delishably article written by Margaret Minix. Now that I'm finished cutting my carrots, I wash them off a second time. I personally, if you know me, I am very, you could say a bit obsessive when it comes to washing in the kitchen. I wash a thing or rinse 3 times or more. Should I be worried? So into my blender filled with carrots, I am adding around nearly 2 cups of water. I should have added less, but because I was gonna serve it to 3 other people and myself, and because I overestimated the amount that was needed, my bad, these things happen. And into it I added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or cane sugar, and then I blend it well. These things takes eyeballing, so you gotta know the limit. So after it is well blended and there's no chunks of carrots left, one piece did leave in a mine still, you're gonna strain it using a strainer into a clean juice container of your choice, and use a spoon or clean hands to squeeze the juice out of the trash, as we Jamaicans describe the carrot pulp. While straining, you can strain twice to ensure no carrot pulp is left, so you don't choke on any pulp while drinking. I didn't bother to strain twice. Don't drag me. I can feel your judginess, okay? Now this is optional. You can use any milk of your choice, or you can leave it as it is, or use some ginger instead. So you would have added your ginger with the carrots and sugar in the blender and strain it for that step. But usually we would use condensed milk, but for the sake of this video and because this is what I had, I decided to use lactose-free lasoy milk powder that we have here in Jamaica. You can pause the video to read what's on the bag that was shown before. So what I just use is the amount I feel needed and some water, and I try to get it as, I don't want to say thick, but what's suitable to me or pleasing to my eyes. Then I would throw it into my carrot juice and then mix. And then into that now I'll be adding some nutmeg. It gives the flavor. You don't have to put this in, but it does something to the carrot juice, which I love. And yeah, just gonna mix this around and stir. And voila. Oh, I forgot, I'm going to also add in a little bit of vanilla. Mom, if you're seeing this, sorry. So yes guys, this is how I make my carrot juice. It is weak in a way because I added more than the average water, since I wanted to share it for everybody and because I overestimated, of course. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time, bye guys.